Welcome to Vlogmas Day 18. Today is a new day, my friend. We've got our coffee. Up, yeah. I can't pick you up, mama. Another day of not being able to pick up my kids. And it is late. We have done not much today. We edited a video, Vlogmas Day 17. And now we're about to start dinner. I think I'm gonna do some rice with homemade chicken nuggets. Keep it really simple because these kids' appetites are not fully 100% back, but they're starting to eat. They feel much better today. The cough has gone down and they've actually gotten up and played, which is always good news. So we are gonna try. I sound like a broken record at this point. We're gonna try to maybe have some hot cocoa. Try. We'll see. We have been finishing up this project. We're trying to really organize our garage. We have so many like little kids things that we really want to just have like a shelf here, somewhere to hang our bikes and have everything very accessible. So this is what it looks like. My dad built it. I think it looks cool. Maybe not aesthetically pleasing as I wanted it to, but it works. We'll have to maybe paint it or, I don't know, do something to it to make it look less woody.
Making our Christmas memories. I've been working so much lately, I can barely find the time to sleep. Yeah, I spend my time running around, keeping people pleased. But this is my favorite holiday. It's a chance to start over new. Cause I missed you, so I'm letting go of everything but you. These are the good times with you. Baby, this year it's just gonna be you and me. Hang by the fire and chill. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, and I've been longing to hold you close. Forget about everyone else. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, oh. La 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 la. Oh, oh. La 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 la. Oh, oh. La 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 la. Making our Christmas memories. I've been wrapping presents for you. I've been hanging marbles in the tree. And I lit my house with Christmas lights. So you should come back home to me. And when we wake up in the morning, I'm gonna play those carols that you love. We'll be singing all the melodies until the sun comes up. These are the good times with you.
All right, little break from cooking. This is the final product. It's kind of dark. I can't really show you guys. Maybe on the other side if I stand over here. All right, here's a better view. We have a whole bunch of little knickknacks up top. Our two big bicycles right here. My running stroller. And then these are just random strollers that we use every once in a while. The kids' little car. And it's nicely organized. And this way, this section is going to be our gym section. We're actually getting rid of the Wonder Wagon. We don't use it anymore because the kids are so big. It's just way too heavy. And I need to put that bed on Facebook Market. And that way, this is gonna be officially the workout session. We're gonna put a TV up here. You can see that we have the TV actually right over there. We just haven't put it up. And then our car can come right in here. All right, we are currently watching Home Alone, such a Christmas classic. And it's time to break into this, y'all. It is time. We're gonna make some hot chocolate. Who wants hot chocolate? We have one. This is a color changing hot chocolate. Two. Oh no. second one. And we need to get our wand. How do you get our wand out? Alright. Oh, this one broke a little bit. That's alright. We got our wand. Let's do this. So it says we have to empty this into each little mug. And then our second one in here. We have our first one. Whoa! You don't even have to mix it. You can already see it's green. That's funny. What color this one will be. Oh, yellow, yellow. This is funny. I wonder what it tastes like. All right, I think I'm gonna take this one. It smells kind of weird, not gonna lie. Oh, it's so hot though. I think I'm gonna have to wait. Oh, I can't, it's too hot. I think I put too much water. It tastes watered down. Not great. It's cool to see them change colors, but they don't really taste that great. I think I put too much water. It says you have to do 6 ounces of hot water. I think I did way more, so it tastes watered down. Since they don't really taste the best, we're just gonna go ahead and catch up and see what other colors we have. And my son is gonna do them with me. We're gonna go ahead and place it in here. So put one. Here's one. Grab one. Oh, what color? It's red! Look at that! My friends, this completes this vlog. It was pretty uneventful once again, but alas, we had a better day health-wise. Everyone is on the mend, up and coming, and hopefully by Christmas, we should all be healthy and ready to celebrate. Like always, remember to dream big, be brave, and explore life. Until next time.